Is it 60% within that hour it will be raining, or is it 60% of...
It's a 60% chance at any given moment that it will be raining.
But what does that mean?
I don't know.
It doesn't mean anything.
Well, right now in Port Jervis, it's a 100% chance of rain. That's bad. That's pretty good. 5 minutes.
You think?
Mm-hmm. We'll check back in 5 minutes.
No. I'm good. It's really hurting.
And it's been about 5 minutes. We're checking in on the weather conditions.
Getting sunny. Getting sunny.
I would argue
Getting
nothing has
sunny.
changed. What's that?
I like that. This is it's horrendous.
Yes, it's horrendous.
No, hey Deborah, can we dye this for him?
I think it's fine.
It's not fine. Purple.
Okay, let's go.
It's not the colour purple now.
It's disgusting.
Beautiful. Yeah, it's cold, bro. It's cold.
It must be particularly cold for you since you grew up in Louisiana.
Oh yeah, I'm freezing. The girl was fine, the guy was a moron. Wasn't he? He looked like Michael Phelps.
Can we talk more on?
Moron.
Entering the swamp. 11:18.
There we go. Now he leaves again. Thanks for the ride, Jose. Excuse me. I gotta tell you, this door handle
That's why I got lost damage waiver, because you're in the car.
is incredibly cheap. And it's like plastic. Feel it. Feel how cheap it is.
I'm not going to feel your handle. The middle of the night.
Not in the swamp. I thought that's why we came here. I thought that's why you brought us here.
To feel your handles?
That's scary. Fucking hell. And so we retreat. Okay. Now, can I say one other thing which is just insane?
Yeah.
I am so fearful of being covered now with 800 ticks from that little
Alright, we got to turn, yep, you got to turn the lights on and look.
You get the map out? Or the light on? Have a look at the map.
Take a left and go 2/10 of a mile to Dennisville Road. I don't know. I'm making that up. I am totally making it up.
What time do we arrive?
Arrive there at 4 o'clock.
Yeah.
What the hell? I think that's too early. I don't need to be get there at 4 o'clock in the morning. What the hell are you going to do there? It's gonna be dark. How about we get there at 4:15? Alright. Head north on Stipson Island Road towards Schoolhouse Lane for a mile.
Okay.
Continue, I hate that direction, so continue on Laner Road. Laner Road. Turn left to CO70. Can you believe those like nasty little teenage boys will be there running? Remember them? They're running past us in the swamp?
Yep.
What were they running to get? Huh? I mean, check it out. Ricelands Motel.
Which one was worse?
The first one was, actually the second was worse because it was filthy and like, wait. The first one was so filthy. Somebody had peed all over the floor around our toilet.
6:18 was supposed to be at the entrance and we're supposed to leave at 6:30.
I'm hoping the weather's better in Cape May than here because this sucks.
I don't like the
guy in that weirdo, ridiculous duck hunter outfit. I don't like the kind of pear-shaped older gentleman. I don't like his shape. Okay, good. They moved out. Let's move in. What's going on? Why are you just sitting here?
Because I was waiting for the light to change.
Alright, you're going to take straight forward.
Yes, I am. Give me a right. Give me a right check.
You good?
Did you even look?
If you go, yeah.
You didn't even look, David.
If you'd gone.
David,
I
no.
did look. I did look.
Get those assholes up there. And he's saying, no, it's aliens. There's all these flowers. Which is funnier that way round.
I got you. Terrible.
It's always raining.
It's always raining! Wimpy's funeral home. Remember Wimpy? The English Wimpy?
Yeah, I used to eat Wimpy's all the time. That's why.
Made like a pink mayonnaise with a hamburger.
Yes, we weren't ever sure what was in it.
Yeah, right. Do you have reason to believe they may have owls?
I don't have reason to believe they have owls.
What will we get in the marsh tonight that we didn't get this morning? How is this day different from all other days? My conclusion is this. We will have no peace of mind unless we keep birding. We will get nothing for our efforts at all, but we will feel better about ourselves.
And the abbot says, someone chanted evening.
That's right.
It's a very famous old song called Some Enchanted
I
Evening.
know.
Someone chanted evening.
Yeah.
Oh, I get it.
I get it, but I mean...
Beating it with a
I
stick
get
until
it,
it
but like
bleeds.
humour.
I would warn you that I've had very little rest in the last 48 hours. The longer this goes on.
Small for that show.
1:23. Just like you said.
That's what I had.
Yay!
Bring him in. Show
Oh,
him.
I heard a fish crow.
That's so bright.
Oh, look, there's film crystals.
All right, let's hand it in.
$7-11 people?
Sadly, I guess so. You know, you'd rather go somewhere local, you know what I'm saying? You know, people in Florida, Luke...
It's 47 degrees outside, David, according to the car.
It was freezing. Would you like a cheese
Oh,
muffin?
you actually bought one?
Of course I bought one because I was intimidated. Dude, she would not accept that we would not buy a cheese muffin. You gotta understand that. This state, man. Love those pelicans in a line.
So the other option is to do what we did this morning, which is to slowly get up and leave at 8 and go do things.
Well, that's not a good option.
Why not?
Here's the thing. Deborah's got good ears, but she doesn't use the ears in an active way, the same way I do.
Load of bollocks. Have a sport you can
Have a game attached.
Seriously, have a ball.
Go birding.
Or go birding.
You know? Jogging.
Jogging.
I hate jogging.
Fucking jogging.
Hi, Luke.
Hey, Deborah.
I have a question for you. I understand you started jogging recently.
Yes.
How's that going?
It's changed my life.
Yeah?
I am now I'm lithe. You can bounce a quarter off my abdomen.
So you're enjoying it, are you?
I love it. I wish I'd done it years ago.
I think I can get a mohawk. I'm ready for a mohawk.
How about McDonald's?
No, not ready for McDonald's.
That is one for the book.